This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 3.2 RLTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 36 feet 7 inches in length and features Slideout, TV, awning, oven, LP detector, water heater, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 3.2 RLTS is 11,365 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.